In this video, I will share how this man made over $163,000 from a service where the only thing he needs to do is to some clicks, drags and drops using softwares, and that's it. And the best part of this video is I'm going to give you the software 100% free. I will show you the paid softwares as well, but I will show you my software that does exactly the same as the paid softwares, and they will be 100% free for you. So stay tuned till the end of the video. First of all, I want to come to Google Keyword Planner tool, and I want to see how many people are actually looking for this kind of service, and then accordingly I will try to understand why are people buying this kind of service. So here we are on Google Keyword Planner tool. We selected location United States, language English, and of course we want to Google and search partners, and then I used keyword Subtitle and Subtitle service. And then when I searched, I found Subtitle has 100k to 1 million searches per month. Subtitle service has 100 to 1000 searches per month. And when we look deeper down below to more other keyword ideas, we found a lot of movie subtitles, and people are looking for a lot of different type of subtitles, including YouTube subtitles. So we came to Google, try to understand what kind of websites are offering this service, and we found yts-subs.com. This is how the website looks like. They clearly offer free subtitles. All you have to do is to select your favorite movie, click, and download the subtitle. Once you click download, it will start downloading. That's it. Click here to download subtitle. The subtitle has been downloaded. Super awesome, right? Now, why is this website offering this kind of service for free? Well, to understand more, we came to similarweb.com. We searched with the website's URL and found the analytics shows this website has 2.8 million monthly visitors. That's super awesome. That's even beyond the numbers that we see on Keyword Planner tool. So how do they make money? They make money from ads. You see these ads? These are AdSense ads. So when the visitors click on these ads, this website makes money. And it's pretty passive income. 2.8 million people. That's a wow. So what do we understand from this? A lot of websites like this are providing this kind of service and they need subtitles. Well, these professionals will definitely not go to Fiverr for a subtitle service. Well, this kind of professionals will not visit Fiverr for subtitle service, but a lot other people will. And look at the popularity of this service on Fiverr alone. This particular gig has got over 1,637 reviews from his customers. Well, I would say approximately 20% people will come back. 20% customers will come back and leave a review, which means what we see this number is basically only 20% of the total sales. So let's say the standard among the 3 gig options is the average sale price. Now 1,637 divided by 20 multiplied by 100, that's approximately the number of total sales of this gig. And if we multiply this number with $20, that will be $163,700 US. I will take it. Now I will show you how to open a Fiverr account and how to become a seller and how to offer this kind of gig and make this kind. Now I will show you how to create your first Fiverr gig. Add a catchy gig title, add category, add application types, select type, service type, then gig metadata, operating system, expertise, application. And once you are done, click the green Save and Continue button. Then add a description. Then go to scope and pricing. You have 3 options: basic, standard, and premium. Fill up all the informations. Select how many revisions you want to provide or select the prices. Check the relevant boxes, then click the Save and Continue button. Add a brief description of your gig. Add frequently asked questions. Click Add. If you have more, add more. Then add catchy, relevant images. then add a video if you have, and then add documents if you have, then save, continue. Are you a US person? Yes or no? Fill that up, click save. You are done. Publish gig. Your gig is published, click done. Your gig is published. Your gig is published and you're ready to take orders. Once you receive an order, you can use Claudio or Subtitle or this kind of softwares to do the job, which is pretty much drag and drop and click, and that's it. So let me show you how Claudio works. Claudio is a versatile software. It's a cloud-based application and the pricing is either $9 per month if you go for monthly option, or $72 per year if you go for annual payment option. Well, if you make this kind of money, then $72 per year is really nothing for unlimited videos. Now I have a pro account, so let me show you how it works. Go to Tools section and click Add Subtitle. Then click Choose File and select a file. The file will upload. It will take some time depending on your internet speed and the file size. Definitely, to make it easy, we want to generate automatically, of course, if there is already a voiceover included in the video. If not, then we may have to choose other options. So in this case, we will choose English, United States, and click Generate. The subtitle is automatically generated and you just have to go through quickly and edit some of the things. Once you are done, you can work with the length of the subtitle if you want to edit something. And then once you are done, go to styles and you can choose different styles. You can choose the colors of the background of the text, or the size of the text, or the color of the text, and the font of the text, the alignment of the text. You can also choose the subtitle will be on top or at the bottom of the video, and then click export once you are done. Claudio has other tools as well, especially merge video, compress video, meme maker, crop video, loop video, reverse video. All these tools are very useful and you can offer all these services separately and make money separately from sites like Fiverr.com. You can also use a software like Subtitle. It will add subtitles like this. These type of subtitles and captions, headlines are useful especially on social media where a lot of viewers don't listen to the audio. They read the subtitles instead. Subtitle is a bit pricey. It allows maximum 30 videos per month and it charges $49 per month. And also the video size has some limitations. 1 GB is the maximum size of the video. But the user interface is very simple, user-friendly, and intuitive. You can add different styles. You can edit your captions here. You can decide the dividers. Pretty simple. And once you are done, click download, render and download. Once the video is done, it will download with subtitles. And then you can deliver to your client and get paid. It literally takes a few seconds of uploading, a few minutes of editing to make sure there are no grammatical mistakes or spelling mistakes, and just a few more clicks to render and download the video. Subtitle is useful for videos that are going to use in social media, but for all other users, Claudio is good enough. Once the video is ready to download, you can download directly to your. Did you like this video? Hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And we will see you in the next video.